Put the gun down, Egan.
That's how you want it? Do it, you out of my way. Miguel, if you hurt her in any way, I swear to God, I will kill you.
Levántelo. You're a punk.
You coward.
The only reason you're alive is because I ain't put you in the ground yet.
Oh, then you best kill me, because I ain't gonna be alive without your sister. Come on, mother. Miguel, what did you do with her? Tell me you didn't hurt her. Tell me, where is she?